Model, 62-plate Vauxhall Vivaro PRIMASTAR Camper 29002.0 CDTI, 115 PS, short wheelbase, STD roof EU5 spares OR repairs auto. Body, white, camper. Mileage, 245,982. MOT, 18 May 2024. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhp, Euro 5, B. Transmission, automatic front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, runs perfect with easy start, needs a high fuel pressure pump replacing. Automatic gearbox shows no fault codes. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Rocknroller bed, X-display model interior. A lot of life in this camper, smiling face with hearts. Features, air con, electric windows, reversing camera. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, Cat N in 2023. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.